Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning,
morning.
Patty.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
If you have the blocks, chair nearby. Let's start, guys. Anu, Madhu, Urvashi, cameras on. Let's start sitting in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down, lengthen the spine, close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start with one Om. Inhale. Om. Exhale, release the hands down. Open your eyes. And we start kneeling position. Shoulder rotations, big circles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Touch fingertips to the floor. Shoulders away from the ears. Right ear, right shoulder. Half circle to the left. Left ear, left shoulder. Half circle to the right. And we go to center. 3. And other side. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. Hold it towards the left. With the left hand, pull the head closer to the shoulder and stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the head of the hand, come back to center. Right ear, right shoulder, pull with the hand and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center and release. Watch me from the side. You're gonna interlace the fingers behind your head, open the elbows, and then you're gonna close them as much as possible and start rounding from the upper back down. Inhale, you're gonna open elbows. Exhale, chin in and round. Yes? 5 times. Urvashi, start the class, please. Inhale. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, 2. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, 3. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, 4. Exhale all the way down. Last one, inhale all the way up. And on the exhale down, we will hold. Exhale, round fully, fully. Bring the elbows close to your navel. And we hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale all the way up. Release the hands. Bring the hands in front of you. Come to tabletop position. Tabletop. Arms straight under the shoulders. Press the palms, fingertips down. Knees under your hips. Press the hands. Inhale, arch for cow position. Exhale, round. 1. Inhale, press the hands, arch. Exhale, 2. Inhale, arch. Exhale, 3. Inhale, arch. Exhale, 4. One more inhale. Exhale, 5. Now come to center. Scapular push-ups. Sink the chest down. And round. Push, separate the scapula, yes? When you bring the chest down, the elbow straight. Just meet the scapula, touch it if you can, and then push. Yes, shoulders remain on top of wrist. Pelvis remains in, core in. Let's go. 1. And push. 2. Push. 3. Push. 4. Push. 5. Push. 6. Pelvis in. Push. 7. Push. 8. Push. 9. Push. Last. And push. Very good. Extend the arms forward. Keep the pelvis on top of your knees, hips on top of knees. And on the exhale, pelvis in, core engage. Bring forehead or nose down and hold. 1 minute. Press actively with the hands without arching the spine, Sarika. Without arching the spine. Don't arch the spine, Sarika. Opposite, opposite. No? You are arching, don't arch. Bring the pelvis inside like cat position. Sarika, go back, go back. Your pelvis is super far. Watch me. Take tabletop, arm, arm. The pelvis here. Your pelvis is here and then you're trying to go down. That's why you can't. Keep the pelvis on top of the knees. Round the spine, Sarika, round the spine. Yes. Yes. Press the hands round the spine. Good. Last 30 seconds, guys. Hold it. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly press the hands coming up. Very good. Now, tabletop position. We are gonna go where the hand is. Elbow. Yes? Now, everyone will take in between the forearms. Sorry. You will take your block like this, yes? In between the forearms. You will squeeze the block, press the palms, fingers to the floor. So, I'm tabletop, forearm, squeeze the block, press the palms. Yes, I will tuck toes under, guys, watch. Don't do the exercise, watch first. Tuck toes under, you will press the forearm, squeeze the block, lift the knees a little bit from the floor, very little. Core engage, pelvis in. Don't arch, pelvis in, yes? Look down, and you're gonna bring knee to chest, back. Knee to chest, back. What I'm doing with my forearms, I'm rounding the spine. Like this, but on the forearms. Yes? So very slow exercise. It's not this. Yeah? Super slow. Knee to chest. Find this core compression. And then back. Find the core compression. And then back. But at the same time, you're squeezing the block and pressing forearms down. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, full focus. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Time is on. Keep the knees low, guys. Super low. Sanjivita, you are too far with the legs. Don't extend the legs. They are in the bend knees, yes? Bend knees. Continue, guys. Last 30 seconds. Keep pressing. Very good. Slowly. Coming out. Release the knees down. Very good. Now, you will take the blocks, both of them, shoulder distance apart. You will press elbow. Yes, walk the knees backwards. Palms facing down. Pelvis in, and then you're going to bring the chest down. You will feel a stretch in the shoulders and you will hold here. Yes, you just sink the chest down a little bit, not this. Okay? Pelvis in, core engaged like cat position. Press the elbows to the blocks and you hold it here. Yes? We will release some tension from the shoulders. Press the elbows. Yes? Palms like this. Yes, don't external rotate. Outside of the elbow facing outside.
Patty, I don't have blocks.
Who's talking? Name.
Tendency.
Terence, you don't have blocks, you have a chair?
No.
No.
I have a treadmill.
A treadmill. How are you gonna do this in the treadmill? Uh, you're in
I have
the
a bench. I have a bench.
bench. Use the bench. Use the bench. Let's go, guys. 30-second hold. Press elbows, pelvis in, and bring the chest down. Very good, guys. Very good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly. Coming up. Now, remove the blocks. You will keep only one. Forearms down. Yes, from tabletop. Sorry, guys. You will keep the forearms down either side. Squeeze the block, press forearms down. Round the spine first. Tuck toes under, lift the hips up. Yes? And now you will keep the knees bent if you feel too stiff on the hamstrings or legs straight. I keep rounding. Eyes to the floor. One step inside. Yes? Feet together. Touching. And now I will shift the weight forward. Exhale, I will shift the weight back. Very slowly, I press forearms, I squeeze the block, and then I go back. I press forearms, squeeze the block, exhale, I go back. Yes? Keep your eyes looking down, don't try to go forward with the head like this. Yes? Ready? Take the block, guys, everyone. Everyone who has a block, please take your block, squeeze the block. We go. I give you 1 minute, 10 reps at your own speed. Guys, super slow. Yes? We want to shift forward as much as possible. Use the forearms, use your hands to press down. Very good. Sucharita, one step inside with your toes. Keep the knees bent, Sucharita. Yes, and now continue the exercise. 10 reps. Guys, if the leg feels too stiff, bend the knees a little bit. You will see it makes the exercise easier. Move slow. When you go forward, move slow. Feel the exercise. Ten reps, guys. You have to count your own reps. 10 reps. Because everyone goes at a different speed. Good. Whenever you finish, child's pose. Very good. Watch me, guys. You will still lead the block, yes? You will squeeze it, press the forearms, lift up. This time, guys, one step to one side of the mat, other step to one side of the mat. That's it. Not more, not less. Again, you can bend the knees or legs straight. Yes, we will step one time inside. Yes, so from here, I lift the hips. I step one side of the mat, other side of the mat, and then one step inside. Yes? Now, if the legs are good, your hamstrings are not stiff, keep the legs straight, press the forearms. You want to think of lifting the hips up. So then when I move forward, yes, I keep the hips up. I don't bring them down, yes? If you bend the knees a little bit, you're bending the knees, but keep lengthening the spine. So hips hips still coming up, yeah? We move forward and back. Same exercise. Different position for the legs. Yes? Let's go.
Patty, I have a question.
Yes, who is this? Yes.
When I keep the block in between my forearms, the arms are touching the block, but I'm not able to press it hard inside. They are not moving away, they are touching the block, but I'm not able to squeeze it inside. Press it in.
Keep trying. Is this a new exercise for you?
No.
No, you practiced this exercise before?
Yes, I have practiced it, but again, I'm able to keep my arms straight, even without the block.
But are you able to press down?
Yes.
Okay, so
I'm
you
not able to
pressing
squeeze that
down
block.
and squeezing. You know this machine on the gym?
Yeah.
Yes, so same movement here. The block is here, yes? So squeeze. You see the muscles activating. You need to feel this activation of the muscles here. You see all the muscles activating, yes? Same. Like you want to crunch the block.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a little bit tricky maybe to find the sensation, but keep thinking about it until it clicks. Yeah? Let's start, guys. 10 reps at your own pace. Again, feel the exercise, focus on pressing forearms, squeezing the block and lengthening the spine, hips up as much as you can. Legs only mat distance, guys. This is not how far can I bring my legs. Only mat distance, don't go too far. Very good. Very good, guys. Sajni, mat distance with your feet. Yes. Those who have finished 10 reps, go down. Those who haven't finished, finish nicely. Now, guys, you will take the blocks, go into the long side of the mat, one step, heels inside, toes outside. Yes, option 1 with the hands pressing the blocks, you will press the feet and go down into Skandasana, opposite leg straight, toes up. Then you will press the feet, press a little bit on the blocks, exhale, other side. Yes, same thing. If you need less, with the hands on the mat. Obviously, the hands are the help, but it's not the weight on my hands. The major weight is on your feet, yeah? Just inhale, exhale. Same, no hands. Inhale, exhale. Yes? Choose your variation. We go 8 times. 1. Exhale. 2. Sunita ji, slow down. Exhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Exhale. 7. Exhale. Last one. Exhale down. Now, if your sitting bones are touching the floor, stay there. Otherwise, wherever you are, place one block. Maybe you need 2 blocks under your sitting bones. Yes? Very good. And now you will bring the hands in front of you or forearms in front of you. Keep pressing the heel down, toes up. And hold 30 seconds. Hands or forearms. Keep opening the knee away from you, other leg straight. If the forearms don't touch, press the hands, guys. Don't force it. It will come when it will come. Sucharita, go down, go down. Sit on the floor. Place the blocks. No. Place, Place the blocks, no? Slowly, guys. Other side. Yes, 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 Sucharita, continue, continue, continue. Yes, lean back, lean back. You can do this. If you have to lean the weight back. Yes, 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 yes. Lean more back the weight. Yes, yes, Sucharita, good, good. Hands on the floor. Yes. Good. Stay there, Sucharita, stay. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly, slowly release. If you have the blocks, release the blocks. We sit on the floor. Option 1. You will sit on top of one block. Yes. Open for the straddle. Straddle, guys. We don't want to open like fully, okay? I want you to open 90 degrees like this. Toes up. Option 1 I show you from here. Option 1, fingertips in front of you. And you open and close the pelvis. Yes? Same option. Without the block on the floor. Yes? Open and close the pelvis. If you're on the floor and you're trying and the pelvis is not opening, you need the block under the glutes. Yes? So we go 7 times like this. And then you will keep it in the neutral position. Press the heels down. Interlace the fingers and you will go as low as possible and lift. Go as low as possible and lift. Yes? First we do this one and then we do this one. 7 times and 7 times. Yes? Guys, don't open like you want to open a full straddle middle split. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Guys, 90 degrees is 90 degrees. Half of you are somewhere else. Sunita ji, Madhu, Kavita, 90 degrees is 90 degrees. Deepika. Let's go, guys.
Ma'am, it's only 90, but
No?
when you... I'm sorry.
You are opening fully. Close a little bit. Now. Yes, guys, first this one. First this one. Let's go. 1, 2. Guys, listen. First this one, 3. Eyes forward. 4. And 5. 2 more. 6. 7. And now interlace the fingers behind open elbows. Press the heels down. Engage the core and you go down. As much as you can. Up. 2. Guys, feel the exercise all the way down. Slowly up. Pretty, you're going too fast. Slow down, guys. When you go slow, you will feel what is your real strength to come up. When you go fast, no. 4. Open the pelvis to go down. 5. 6. And 7. Hold it as low as possible. No hands. No touching the floor. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming up and 1 more. We go down and hold 1 more time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. No hands on the floor. 3, 2, 1. Use your core to come up. Very good. Amazing. Now, lay down. Please. Legs straight up, point the toes. Open in like a V shape. Palms together. Press the lower back down and we go. 1, 2, 3. Yes? Let's go. One minute. 3, 2, 1. We go. Deepika, slow down. Slow exercise, guys. Only open the legs in B shape. Yes, don't go super deep. Last 15 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Very good. Nice. Next one. You're gonna extend the legs up. Bring the hands under the glutes a little bit. Keep the legs straight. Yes, and only lift pelvis down. Pelvis down. Pelvis down. Yes? Don't go super fast. Lift as much as you can and down. Lift as much as you can and down. Yes? Let's try. 30 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Don't bounce, guys. Up. Up to the sky. As if someone's pulling you from a string up. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now last one, guys. Pay attention. We want to open the legs in the V shape. Yes? Keep your arms in line with the shoulders, palms facing down. And now I keep pressing the lower back down. I want to lower the legs in the V shape as much as I can. There's no space, okay? There's no arching here. So I lower the legs as much as I can without touching the floor, and I come back to center. I lower the legs as much as I can, and I come back to center. Guys, this is a hardcore exercise. Yes, it's not your core working here as much as your core in combination with your hip flexors. Yes? So, if you can only go down until here, because otherwise your spine is arching, go down until here only and then come back. Yeah? So you can build the strength. There's no point in arching the spine and going here. Press the spine. Yes? Only until 90 degrees. Don't bounce here. Yeah? Slowly. And then slowly. 1 minute. Point the toes. Guys, I'm explaining the exercise. Everyone is doing it already. I hope everyone had the ears open as well. Yeah? Good. Let's go. Guys, move slow, move slow. Point the toes, keep the legs fully straight. Last 20 seconds. Keep pointing the toes, knees straight, guys. Knees straight. Don't let the legs bend. Full engagement. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Good job. Now we will all go towards the wall. We go arm distance from the wall. Yes? Watch me first, guys. Forearms down. Make sure they are shoulder distance apart. So for that, grab opposite elbows. You make sure they are here and you're pressing forearms and fingers and palms, everything. Otherwise, the hands are just hanging there. Yeah? Now, before I lift up, I round. So I press and round first. Look down, lift the hips. I step and step. We hold here. We want to bring the hips on top of the shoulders. Core engage. Pelvis in. Yes, don't try to do anything else. The more weight you bring forward, the more weight you will feel on the forearms. Yes, so you can be a little bit closer to the wall, but think of spine straight. Yes, now I have more weight on my toes. Yes, spine straight. I don't want to arch, I don't want to round, I don't want to drop the knees to the wall. Yeah? High. As much as I can, eyes down. To come down. I take child's pose. And I wait for the next exercise. Yes? Arm distance, ladies. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we go up. Time is on. 30 seconds. Very good. Pranya, pelvis in? Yes. Good job. Pelvis in, Kavita, a little bit. Lakshmi, we are bending the knees. Last 7. You're too far, Lakshmi, now. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really sit down. Child's pose. Very good. Coming up. Same exercise again. 45 seconds. Lakshmi, arm distance. Don't go so far. Only arm distance so you can keep the knees bent. Yes? Same. 45 seconds. If you have to come down before, come down before. Yes? Ready? And up. Press forearms, press palms. Pelvis in, scapula separated like in cat position. Eyes down in between your forearms and the time starts. Knees bent, Kalpana, yes. Ladies, if you can straighten the legs, you're too far from the wall, huh? Stay with the breath. Very good. Pelvis in, Urvashi. Pelvis in, Shiva. Shiva, pelvis in like cat position. Try. Yes. Yes, that's it. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming down, those who still on the wall, and child's pose.
Patty, this is Anuradha. And when I try to bring my pelvis in, so the hips goes towards the wall.
Yes. Pelvis in and pressing down at the same time.
Okay.
Yes? Now, again, arm distance from the wall. Yes, arm distance. I place my forearms. Press and round first. Keep the rounding up. Step. And now you will go step to the side, straight the leg, step to the side. Yes? Sorry, I'm a bit too close. Step. Pelvis in. Yes, pelvis in. Press the forearms and hold. Now, we will do 2 rounds. First round, see my feet. They are fully on the wall. So I have halfway pressing feet to the wall. They are not resting. If they are just resting, they will slide down. Yes, so from here, I want to bring one step and then the pelvis in. Otherwise, the pelvis will start to open. Yes, so I want to open the shoulders, but I want to keep the pelvis inside. Otherwise, it opens like this. Yes, so I press the feet to the wall, close the pelvis in case it opens, and I press the forearms down. Yes, option 1, feet on the wall. Option 2, you leave the heels. For the second round. First round, everyone here. Second round, you can be here. Yes? First round, everyone feet on the wall. Yes, this starts to be tricky now because we are opening legs and opening shoulders, but the pelvis is closing. So it's two apparently opposite actions. So we have to think both of them at the same time. Open shoulders, close pelvis, yes? We aim 30 seconds. Don't open the legs too much, okay? Only one step to the side, straight the leg. Ready? Everyone up. Everyone up. Feel your hips on top of the shoulders. Pradnya, one tiny step down. Shiva and Sneha, one tiny step down. Sajni, two steps down. Deepika, eyes to the floor. Keep pressing forearms. Don't arch the spine. Close the ribcage, navel in. Last 15 seconds, ladies. Stay very good. Stay. Anubama, bring more hips up. Press forearms, lengthen the spine up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Child's pose. Sajni, guys, child's pose. Those who are skipping the breaks, no. Child's pose, everyone. Ready? Second round. Now you can bring full foot on the wall or lift the heel or go on your nails. Yes? Pick a variation. We go 30 seconds.
Same one.
Same thing, just like either you bring the full foot on the mat on the wall, or you go on your toes, or you go on your nails. But with the legs is the same straddle variation. Press the forearms, ladies, very good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring it down. Very good. Child's pose. Now, how many of you are finding it that you are almost releasing the wall, like almost magically releasing the wall? Like you are on the toes, on the nails, and you feel like at any time you can release the wall, even for a second, 2 seconds. Only Sonia? No. Sajni? Are you raising the hand? Yes? No. Only Sonia? No, I don't believe this. It's not possible, guys. A lot of you were on the toes. Sarika also. Snehan? No? Yes. Good. No one else? Madhu? No? Shiva? Divya, yes? Okay, guys. So now, third round. Those who feel you can release at any point. Yes, you will find little seconds of balance. So you will go up, straddle, lift, and you see I'm feather touch. I'm in my nails. I'm not jumping and pressing the wall away. Yes, I'm leaning more towards the forearms and I'm going out. If you can go out few seconds and back. 1, 2, and back. If you can more, okay, you can open the full straddle. Pelvis in and hold. Those who were on the toes, lean more weight forward. Go on your nails and try. How you feel. You need to keep opening the shoulders because otherwise we start to collapse forward. Yes? Guys, to release the wall, we don't push the wall. That will make you collapse forward. Yes, we press the toes, the nails against the wall, and we lean the weight to the forearms. It's very subtle. If you push the wall, you fall. Because you don't control the energy, you will be bounced back. Yeah? Bounce back, bounce away, yeah? Ready? Everyone coming up the wall, let me rescue my child. Let's go. Pick your variation, try. One step down, Snehal. Last 10. Sachni, one tiny step down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Shiva almost. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Deepika, come down slowly. Take child's pose. Now, guys, anyone now that after second round is almost releasing? Anyone?
It
No.
felt like it takes a lot to release that.
Yes.
Holding was still
That's
okay,
not an
but
easy thing. But you're feeling almost releasing or not?
no.
No. Guys, the weight, it's a subtle shifting of weight here. Yes, we really have to keep the legs fully straight. Shoulders open, guys. This is like opposite actions I was telling you, no? The legs are open, pelvis is in, and then the shoulders have to open. But then you have to shift weight to the forearms. And the tendency is to collapse forward. So you need to say no, shoulders open. Yeah, that's the brain gets confused because you have to think all of these upside down. Yes?
This group is not happening here. That's why.
It's
This
not
grip-
only on the fingers. Don't get too obsessed with the fingers, but obviously we need to press everything. If you only press the forearms and the hands are there, also not the case. Yeah? We need to press hands, press fingers. Yes, but most importantly, the forearm is also there. Yeah? The fingers is only because if you don't press the fingers, the palms will be like this, no? They will lift up if you don't press fingers. That's the only reason. Yeah, but palm has to press. Yes? Now, guys, again, those who are almost releasing, try again, guys. Those who are on the toes, go slower, move slower. Feel how much energy you can bring forward before the shoulders start to close. Pay attention to those tiny details. Those who are finding balance, 1 second, 2 seconds, you aim to release the wall. Slowly, you try to release the wall. Yes? But guys, pay attention as we do more reps. You pay attention. This is the last one for today, but we are building up, right? So every rep, you need to pay attention to the more subtle shift of weight that you are doing. Yes? So you understand how much energy to release the wall, how much energy to keep the shoulders open and release maybe 1 second, 2 seconds. Yeah?
Can you check my Patri? Ashika's.
Yes, yes. I'm checking everyone, guys. Let's go.
Ma'am, hips will
Ma'am,
go.
my hands come closer with the time.
The palms are coming closer.
Yeah.
You can take the block if you want. Yes. Palms coming. You look, guys, before you go to the wall. The palms can go closer. Yes, as long as the elbows don't do this. It's just a different grip. Why do I teach you this one? Because this one, it's easier. Sometimes, and I tell you from experience, we learn this one first because it's easier. When there are variations, you have to do this one, then you have to build strength all over again. Because this is a little bit of a cheat code. Yeah?
And how much will be the gap?
The gap is always shoulder distance. No matter what. This one shoulder distance, this one shoulder distance. There's no universe where you go more because the more your elbows open, the more chances to collapse, obviously. Shoulder distance, that's non-negotiable. The grip can be this, the grip can be this, the grip can be this, but shoulder distance. Yes? So everyone up. Don't experiment with your hand grip right now. Stick to what it was. Up the wall, guys. Two steps down, Pranya. Ashika, extend the knees fully and one tiny step down. Sanjita, two steps down. Shiva, one step down. Don't jump. One step down, shift slowly. Yes, Shilpa, beautiful alignment. Urvashi, also good alignment, but look down. Yes, Deepika, Kavita, yes. Kalpana, yes. Lakshmi, one tiny step down. Pranya, now we got the alignment. Nidhi, very good. Amazing, Nidhi, super proud. Deepika, more hips up. Divya, yes. Anupama, hips up. Anu, Radha, yes. And slowly start coming down. Sarika, yes. Good job. Sonia, yes. More pressing shoulders to the wall. Away. Aha. That's the alignment, Sonia. You see now elbow, shoulder, and pelvis are in the same line. Very good. Amazing. Preeti, yes, press the toes. Yes, present. Ha. Good job. When you are pressing the toes, Preeti, you see your pelvis is going on top of the shoulders. So, for the distance that you picked, only when you press the toes to the wall, you are going in your perfect alignment. If you try to bring the heels, the pelvis is not on top of the shoulders anymore. So if you want to be on the toes, that alignment is perfect. If you want to be on your feet, you need to go a little bit more close inside. Yes? Super job, ladies, huh? Super. Now, something for your shoulders. Option 1, you cross one arm in line with the shoulder and bring the chest in front, other arm here. Option 2, you can do it double, cross and walk the hands away from you in line with the shoulders, yes? So I'm crossing like this. Option 1, and all my body weight on top. Option 2, I walk like this and here, yeah? The throat, it's gonna be on top of the arm, so you need to make sure you can breathe, yes? All the body weight will do the job. You will feel a good release in the shoulders, scapula. Yes. So we hold 30 seconds one side. If you are doing this one, whatever arm you have on top, you will go under. Yes, if you are doing single arm, you just change arm. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Time is on. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change side. And time is on. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Slowly, slowly start coming up. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position.
Patty, I couldn't get the chin out like you did.
Say again.
I couldn't get the chin out.
Do they
Out
know?
of the arms.
Lot of tension.
Okay.
Yes. Guys, sometimes we cannot get the chin out. It really depends on the day. Yes. Thank you, Rashim. It really depends on the day. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. But this exercise, guys, for your shoulders, this is if you want to do every day, you will see how this tension from the shoulders goes and goes and goes. Yeah, this is like a little bit of magic for your shoulders. You can hold 1 minute, 2 minutes if you have a lot of tension. Yes, really, really does a good job because we get the tension built every day in the shoulders. Yeah, laptop, phone, driving, stress. Yeah. So before sleep, you do this one. You will wake up much better. Yeah. Let's sit for the prayer. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen spine. Close your eyes. Inhale. Reach the arms up. Join the hands in prayer. Exhale. Bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to feel the heart beating for you. Keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive. That you're living this life through a human experience and the uniqueness that comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sekino bhavantu. Let's finish chanting one 3 shantis together. Inhale. Om. Shanti, shanti, shanti. Rub the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of the hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your eyes through your eyes. Slide the palms on your face through a beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much.
Ma'am,
Yes?
I have one question. Actually, you're showing one exercise to lift only the pelvis up. So my lower abdominal muscles, can you suggest me some simple exercises to make them strong?
Keep
So I
coming to
really
class, Sucharita. Don't
couldn't
make
lift
a rush. Keep coming to class. We are working always on this. Yes? Keep coming to class. Be patient. Yes? Everything comes with practice. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye, ladies. See you 2 to 3. Those who are coming later for round 2. Otherwise, tomorrow. Bye-bye.